Most Camry owners are missing out on these Amazon upgrades. From hidden interior upgrades to surprisingly useful accessories, these are the Camry mods you probably didn't know existed. Number 10. 300 pounds, lockable roof rack. Crossbars. Compatible with Chevy Equinox. 2025-2026. Number 9. 2 pieces. Center console organizer for Chevy Equinox. 2025 to 2026. Number 8. Wireless charging protective mat for Chevrolet Equinox. 20, 26, 20, 25. Number 7. Seat covers. Full set, car seat covers. Black car seat protector, waterproof. Number 6. Cargo liners and backrest mat for 2025-2026 Chevy Equinox. Number 5. Chevrolet Equinox. 2018 to 2025. Sunshade windshield cover.
Opens up really simple. The metallic side goes out. Put it around your rear view mirror, Velcro it, and then you literally just flip down your sun visors on either side. It has kept my car significantly less hot. It is so hot here in the South, and this has been a game changer for me. I'm going to show you how to take it down too. So you just lift your visors back up, undo the Velcro, fold it back in half. You're going to take two sides of it and bring them together. Put one under the other, and bring the other two sides in. And then you can put it right back in the storage bag if you'd like to. And the storage even has a little Velcro, so it stores really nice.
Number 4, floor mats and cargo liners and backrest mat for 2025-2026 Chevy Equinox. Number 3, roof-mounted XL, rear opening, cargo box, black. Number 2, auto start-stop Eliminator for 2019 to 2024, Chevy Equinox. Number 1, windshield wiper washer, fluid reservoir, tank bottle cap, cover for Chevrolet. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.